Today I'm going to show you how to replace your Harley-Davidson Sportster front headlight bulbs.
Remove these two screws to remove the headlight molding rings. Remove the headlight molding rings. Remove the headlight carefully from the rubber mount that holds it in place. Unhook the electrical connection of the main bulb, then unhook the electrical connection of the parking light bulb. Remove the parking light bulb by pulling it out its gasket. Remove the gasket of the main bulb. Unhook the main bulb. And remove it. Place the new main bulb, paying attention to its correct position, into the headlight housing. And hook it in place. Remove the old parking light bulb from its housing, rotating it a quarter turn counterclockwise. Insert the new one by turning it a quarter turn clockwise. Insert the parking light bulb on its gasket on the headlight housing. Place the gasket on the main bulb. Hook the electrical connection of the parking light bulb and on the main bulb. Insert the headlight in the rubber mount. Place the headlight molding rings and screw them in place. Test if all works fine.
So, if you like my video, click on thumb up and subscribe to my channel.